Another 70 years, 2 world wars, and the computer revolution would pass before Syukuro Manabe and his colleagues knit together this web of processes, including key aspects of the atmosphere's thermodynamics and dynamics, and made the first prediction, reliable prediction, that if you double the carbon dioxide in Earth's atmosphere, the Earth's surface temperature would increase by 2 degrees Celsius. And about the same time, Edward Lorenz taught us about chaos, that the weather is chaotic. It evolves rapidly and becomes unpredictable after about a week. Could it be that Lorenz's chaos was noise to the climate? So thought Klaus Hasselmann. He made the analogy between the rapidly varying weather and the slowly varying climate and Brownian motion from Einstein's theory, whereby rapid collisions of water molecules with pollen grains displace them slowly over time. He then predicted that the weather on timescales of days influences the ocean on the timescale of years. He went further with these ideas, and he constructed a systematic statistical way to compare measurements, observations, and models to extract the fingerprints of particular physical processes in the climate system.